and welcome to dishnetwork.ws, where we're going to teach you how to repair a CD. Doesn't matter what kind of a CD it is. It can be a DVD, a movie, a computer game, an Xbox game, a PlayStation game. Doesn't matter what it is, we're just going to show you how to do it. This is a severely damaged CD right here for an Xbox game. And what I've got here is 3000 grit sandpaper, and you can use it on this acrylic, but you have to buff it back out. And if you start with a 1500 grit or a 1000 grit, you're going to have to work your way back up. So what I mean by that is, if you start out with 1000 grit and it's got grooves in it so badly you have to, then you have to go up to the 1500 after you're done with 1000. Then you have to go to the 2000 after you're done with the 1500, and then you'll have to finish it off with 3000. So what I'm going to show you here is how to repair scratches off any CDs that you own. What I'm doing is I'm lightly going over it and taking the deeper scratches out. Now I could go over it with some coarser sandpaper, say like the 2000, but I don't really believe there's much of a need for that on this disc. But I'd still have to work my way back up if I did that, back to 3000. Alright, that looks like it pretty much got most of them out. Alright, now I'm going to show you, this stuff right here is just an ordinary rubbing compound. It's made by 3M and it's called Perfected 2. Now you don't have to, you can pick this up at any automotive store, or maybe you have some out in your garage, who knows. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to apply a couple of drops to the CD, like that.
A couple of drops.
Yeah, a couple hundred drops. And then I'm going to take, and you don't want to really use a coarse towel or anything like that. You want to find a very fine, smooth, like baby diaper cloth, and just go over it gently until you see the 3000 grit scratches start to come out. Just keep working it in. There. Now it's starting to shine up again. And that's really what you want to look for, is a nice shine again. Getting rid of the scratches and sandpaper marks. I'm going to apply just a little bit more here. There we go. That's better. You may need to do this 2 or 3 times in order to get the shine that you're looking for back. But as soon as you get the shine back and the scratches are all gone, your CDs or DVDs or whatever it is you're using is ready to be used again.
I got a question. Can you use the paper towel?
No. No, paper towel's too coarse. It'll scratch it. Alright. I should really go over it a couple more times, but for the sake of cutting this short, I believe that will work. Let's put it back in the Xbox player and see if you got some. Here, give me that. Yep, there it is. Looks like it's working.
Dolphins, EA Sports, send the game. NFL 2000.